Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness too.
If you prefer compact phones, you've probably noticed the usual trade-offs. Battery drains too fast, performance feels limited, and camera quality just doesn't keep up. Honestly, I had gotten used to those compromises until the OnePlus 15T came along. This compact powerhouse completely flips the idea that smaller phones mean cutting corners. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. OnePlus 15T isn't just about being small. It's about being small without sacrificing anything. It features a 6.32-inch display that still delivers full flagship specs, including an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate and incredibly slim 1.1mm bezels on all four sides. And yes, those bezels look absolutely stunning. With advanced luminous materials and eye care tech built in, the display performs beautifully whether you're outdoors in bright sunlight or indoors at night. Instead of highlighting the usual downsides of compact screens, this phone turns them into strengths, arguably making it one of the best small screen experiences out there. Battery life is where things get really surprising. The 7500 mAh battery is massive, especially for a phone this size. In fact, it outperforms many larger 6.8-inch devices, completely breaking the long-standing issue of weak battery life in compact phones. In real-world use, you can easily stretch it to 2 days with light usage, while heavy tasks like gaming or video recording still last a full day. That means no more carrying a power bank everywhere. Charging is just as impressive, with 100-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, finally bringing a complete premium experience. Plus, with global bypass power supply, you can game while charging without worrying about overheating. When it comes to performance, there's no compromise here either. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 processor, the OnePlus 15T delivers true flagship-level performance. It easily sits among the top-tier Android devices, which is rare for a compact phone. Gaming in particular feels incredibly smooth thanks to the new Windpool gaming kernel and that blazing fast 165Hz refresh rate. Thermal performance is just as important in a smaller device, and OnePlus has clearly focused on that. The Ice Core Cooling 3.0 system, combined with a large VC cooling setup and graphene layers, keeps temperatures well under control. In testing, Genshin Impact averaged 59.2 FPS after 30 minutes, peaking at 38.5 degrees Celsius. Honor of Kings ran at 143.6 FPS with a max temperature of 35.6 Stin. PUBG Mobile reached 164.1 FPS at 42.1 degrees, while Call of Duty Mobile delivered 164.7 FPS with a peak of 37.4 degrees Celsius. Dark Zone maintained 162.2 FPS, and Delta Force hit 163.4 FPS, both with stable thermal performance. Overall, the gaming experience feels nearly identical to what you'd expect from a large gaming phone, completely breaking the myth that smaller phones can't handle serious gaming. And finally, the camera experience doesn't fall behind either. With a flagship-level telephoto lens and advanced image processing technology, the OnePlus 15T delivers cinematic quality shots, proving that even a compact phone can handle high-end photography with ease. In the past, OnePlus phones were often recognized for their compact design paired with decent imaging and quick scanning features. But with the OnePlus 15T, things have taken a big leap forward, bringing true flagship-level camera hardware into a compact form. You're getting a 50-megapixel Sony back-illuminated sensor, a 3.5 by zoom lens, and an 85mm periscope telephoto that covers a wide focal range, all enhanced with Lumo imaging. Personally, I don't really miss having an ultra-wide camera, but not having a periscope lens would have been a deal breaker for me. Most of the time, I rely on telephoto when shooting. It helps frame better shots, removes distractions, and gives you that extra reach that really makes photos stand out. And interestingly, the OnePlus 15T even introduces a big view mode, which sounds surprising for a phone this size. To really test it out, I took the phone to Chongqing and Shenzhen. Chongqing's rainy weather turned out to be perfect for street photography, and that's where the big view mode really showed its strengths. I also experimented with a few custom color styles, which added a lot of personality to the shots. The results speak for themselves. After that, I headed to Shenzhen during spring, honestly one of the best seasons for photography. I took the OnePlus 15T along for a casual outing, And just as expected, the images came out vibrant and beautiful. Rather than over-explaining, the samples really say it all. On the video side, it supports 4K recording and even Dolby Vision video at 120 FPS, so you're not sacrificing detail or smoothness. And when it comes to durability and features, everything is here. IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K water resistance, along with an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and durable crystal glass. Nothing feels left out. What really stands out about the OnePlus 15T is how it manages to pack all of this into such a compact body without cutting corners. At just 71.2 millimeters wide, it's super comfortable to use with one hand and easy to carry anywhere without feeling bulky. With top-tier water resistance, you can confidently shoot outdoors even in the rain. The 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor works reliably, even if your hands are wet. In day-to-day use, the experience feels no different from a large flagship phone. For a long time, choosing a small phone meant deciding between comfort and performance. The OnePlus 15T changes that completely. It proves that a compact phone can still deliver flagship performance, outstanding battery life, top-tier cameras, and a complete feature set. You no longer have to compromise just for portability. This phone doesn't just meet expectations, it sets a new standard. It shows that compact devices don't have to be light versions of bigger phones. In fact, it might even push larger phones to step up their game. Small screen phones are no longer an afterthought. They're finally getting the attention they deserve. If you've always felt that big phones are too bulky, but also didn't want to settle for weaker specs on a smaller device, the OnePlus 15T is absolutely worth considering in 2026. It brings together everything you'd expect from a premium flagship and fits it into a sleek 6.32-inch form factor. You get portability without sacrificing power, battery life, or camera quality. The arrival of the OnePlus 15T feels like a true comeback for compact phones. It breaks all the old limitations and proves that small doesn't mean inferior anymore. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.